In this video, we will learn how to create a simple four-bar mechanism in Solidworks. We will create members one by one and then assemble it in Solidworks assembly. So let us start. Select front plane and then sketch. Select straight slot and start from the origin. Create this straight slot. Select circles. Create two circles. Make them equal. Assign equal relation. Select smart dimension and then assign these dimensions as shown. Make it 100 mm. This radius will be 5 mm. Change it to 3 mm and change this to 4 mm. Now extrude this sketch. Select direction as blind and make it about 5 mm. Now the link 1 is ready. We have to save it. Create a new folder and save it as link 1. This time we will edit this part to create another part. It's easy. Select the sketch and click edit sketch. Now make this dimension 20 mm. Exit. Now this time carefully select save as and rename it to link 2. Again select edit sketch and make this dimension 66 mm. Again save as. Carefully select save as, otherwise it will override the existing sketch. Link 3. Again change the dimension to 56 mm and save it as link 4. Now all the links are ready. Let's assemble them in SolidWorks assembly. Open assembly. You will be asked to import the files. Select all the 4 files and open. Now drop it here. Now select mate command and select the inner cylindrical face of the two members. Make relation concentric. Okay. Move it to here. Now select this face. Select mate and select this face and the other side face of link. This one. Select coincident mate and OK. Same steps to mate all other links. Select this circle face and this circle face. Concentric relation. OK. Again select this face and this face. Make it coincident. OK. Again select mate and select these inner faces. Concentric. OK. Now select this face and this face. Make it concentric, oh sorry, coincident. Make them concentric. Now the assembly is ready. You can see it. You can move this link. It will move another links. Now save it as 4-bar mechanism. You can see all the members are linked with each other. Now go to add-ins, SolidWorks add-ins, and select SolidWorks motion. We will create an animation of this. Wait until the motion SolidWorks motion tab appears. Now you can see a motion study 1 tab appears in the bottom section. You can see animation, basic motion and motion analysis. We will do motion analysis. Select motor command from here. This is the motor command. Let me show you more. Select the motor location. Now this time select the inner face, this inner face, inner circle, cylindrical face. Now make it reverse direction, that is anti-clockwise. Now these are the types of motion. Select constant speed and 100 rpm. Okay. This is the time bar. Drag it up to 10 seconds and click calculate. Now this will calculate each and every motion frame. Now it is done. Play. Now you can see this is a 4-bar mechanism animation. This is the simulation details. Now let's obtain some graphs from this motion. Displacement, angular velocity, select Z component and select the mate between the two parts where you need to plot the graph. Now select this mate as shown. This one. You can see it is selected. Now click OK. Now you can see a graph has been plotted. It will display angular velocity versus time graph. You can plot various types of graph according to your need. This time select force, sorry, for friction force, and select Z component. Again, we will need to define any mate where the from where the graph take the input. This is the plot 2. I have selected the another one mate. You can see the graph. Again, select results and select displacement, velocity, acceleration. Select angular velocity, Z component, and select any of the mate. Select this. I have selected this one. You can see the graph. Select all the concentric relation one by one to get different plots. You can see plot 3, sorry, plot 4. Now that's it. Enough for today's lesson. Hope you guys enjoyed it. Subscribe our channel for more videos and follow us on our social media. Thank you.